Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and to another Archangel RC video. Today's topic is a bit more grounded, or more accurately, a bit more watered, as I will be having some fun with these Volantex RC boats. It was a nice day out, but I was feeling rather lazy, so thanks to my e-bike, got here without breaking a sweat. The thing is, this is a pedestrian zone, so really no other way to get here without breaking a sweat other than an e-bike, and I particularly like mine. At this point now, turned out pretty good. If you are curious to find out more about it, you can check out the link here or in the description of the video. So, back to the boats now. One is the Volantex Tumbler, which I've had for ages but only used a few times, regrettably, and yet it is so much fun and can right itself if it rolls over, as you will see in a bit. Sadly, no longer for sale anywhere, not sure why Volantex stopped making it, at least there are still some spare parts available. The other one, the Vector, is still a current model and I actually have two of those. The other one is black, but just wasn't needed today. Both the Tumbler and the Vector use the same gear, same receiver ESC combo, same servo and same motor, and also use the same batteries, 2S 360 mAh packs, and they last quite a while in the water. Even after not being used for years, they still ran for perhaps 10 minutes before showing any sign of depletion. I have 9 of those batteries, so that spells out a good deal of fun. So, Tumbler was first in the water and somehow I managed to throw it upside down, which looked kinda stupid. But it did allow me to show how the boat can roll over. Basically, you need to start pumping the throttle and you can see it shake around. The torque from the motor makes it rotate. At some point the prop will touch the water and from there on it will shoot out and right itself, so you don't have to wait for the currents or winds to push it out to shore. The Tumbler is quite nimble, can do some pretty tight turns, and it has some decent speed for its size, given that it is a factory model with absolutely no mods done to it. Not a boat for stormy seas, but does great in pools or lakes, and I did enjoy every minute of it. Next in the water was the Vector, and this one is different. It is longer, prop and rudder are in a different spot. It is a speedboat. Despite seemingly having the same motor as the Tumbler, it is quicker and has a higher top speed, as evidenced by this drag race. 3, 2, 1, dawaj! I can't be certain why it is faster though. Is it the design of the boat or the location of the prop itself, or could it be the motor is slightly different despite looking the same? I don't know much about boats, so if anybody has a clue, please share that clue in the comments section. One thing that it didn't do better than the Tumbler though are turns. The Vector needs more space to make a turn, which can sometimes be a problem when running close to the shore or in a tight space, but shouldn't be an issue if you are aware of the fact, are in a big enough lake and have plenty of space. I have not tested the range of these radio systems, but they seem to be okay out to at least 50 or 60 meters, at which point you can barely see the boat anymore, so there is no reason to go further out anyway. As for writing itself, the Vector should be able to do that originally, because you do have to mount the battery on the side of the hull, so it is weighted down on one side more than the other. However, putting it in that location made it so the boat would move along with a very heavy rear section, never really able to bring the nose down and wasn't able to pick up speed, so I moved the battery to sit on top of the motor, which solved the speed issue but kinda made it harder or impossible to roll it over if it ended up capsized. Luckily, it helps if you have a second boat to help it along to shore. I will have to address that situation somehow, but certainly wasn't going to happen right there and then at the side of the lake. I am thinking I might need the help of my 3D printer for that. There were no more capsize accidents, thankfully, and we were able to enjoy the boats for a while, but you know, give a female any vehicle and she will find a way to get in your way and cause an accident. Twice. It's like we don't have a whole bloody lake at our disposal. At least I beat her at every drag race to get back at her. That ought to teach her. Also, she ran the boat ashore a few times. Of course she did. Which resulted in the prop getting chipped, so yeah. But anyway, we had fun. I also got a chance to chase some ducks around. Get it? Ducks. Though these didn't look like lame ducks, but they did seem curious in the boats until I got close to them, then for some reason they weren't willing to stick around. Ran away like cowards they did, guess they were in a hurry for an appointment. In a restaurant somewhere. So, I really like these boats. They are small and easy to transport, easy to manage and simple to use, so even kids would enjoy them a lot. I need to dedicate a small case and keep them in there, ready for action and safer to transport so nothing breaks in the process, plus the added bonus of no dust on them after a prolonged period of non-use. I will link whatever I can find about them in the description below, so make sure you check it out if you are interested. If you need to purchase anything from any of the websites listed below, consider using those affiliate links at no additional cost to you. This helps support this channel and my family. A big thank you to all the people who have supported me so far in any way and would continue to do so. Have a great time in whatever RC thing you are involved in, and I will see you in the next video.